You know, I like to think we're some young, talented individuals, and we got a lot of different ways to spin this shit. So, team, if you would, with the poetry, bro. Let 'em have it.
What is a sneakerhead? When you step off in the game and you buy about 20 pairs of shoes that look the same.
Hell no.
What is a sneakerhead? When that building came due for that PG&E, but they just released them brand new Mocha 3s. What is a sneakerhead? When you hop in a line for hours and you take that risk for the clerk at the counter to tell you are not getting your shit? What bitch is a sneakerhead? When you bought a whole bunch of shoes and you go in your closet and you ain't got a clue, cause you got about 70 pairs that's the same motherfucking color blue.
Hell no. What the fuck is
What is
a sneakerhead? You tell me, bro.
Hi everybody, welcome to
See
another
how he just hopped right back in that Jim Carrey mode?
Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Shoeflytv now. Hey, how's it going today now?
How you guys doing? All right.
As y'all can see, like, there's pretty much nothing we can't do. I said could do. No, can't do.
Nothing we can't do.
Poetry,
Freestyle. Free motherfucking
Rap.
style.
beats, everything. Fashion,
Most of all,
sneakers. Yes. So, we just want to let you know today, we are coming with a color that has a presence of Africa.
The significance of Africa?
Zamunda.
No, not Zamunda.
Wakanda.
Wakanda. I like it.
Wakanda forever. Today, we are going to review the Air Jordan 8 Retro Tinker Red. You said red before I could say red.
I had to get a word in, man.
Sometimes I talk too much, man. I talk too much. But we are going to open up the treasure trove and bestow upon you.
You know what else I call a treasure trove?
Oh, be quiet.
He said, oh, be quiet.
Sometimes I know some of you, you're not supposed to be watching this, but you're watching.
I forgot about you little ones.
So,
Sorry.
first thing,
So sorry.
we want to talk about receipts.
Authenticity. It's important.
In certain countries, they sell many fake Jordans. many fake Jordans. You don't want to be one of the individuals to buy fake Jordans.
You don't.
So,
No.
come with receipt with your purchase. I'm done with the African shit.
Please,
man.
man.
Because I'm struggling the whole time. I'm laughing in the middle of showing.
Try not to laugh. That's the whole thing.
But real talk, it's a lot of people. Y'all getting caught up in these scandals with all of these fake shoes. Y'all reviewing, selling, whatever the case may be. I'm telling you right now, you watch Shoeflytv, Shoefly television,
Straight
you're only
authenticity.
getting the real.
Straight authenticity.
I know y'all done seen us show these receipts and everything 100 times for all the shoes that we come out with. So just know, whenever you see something for us, it's the real. It's the real
You
shit.
just
It's
fucking
real.
up your money with that fake shit.
You really are.
Fucking
Because
up your money.
fake ain't the way to go.
Stop it. Stop it.
It's not the way to go.
It's not. Let me just grab mine too.
Very, very eye-popping.
Excuse me, just burped.
Very eye-popping. It's cool because, you know what I could do is take a shot. But
Everybody!
oh shit,
My bad. Woke some niggas up, huh? Yeah. Oh, this nigga just made me wake up.
I was getting ready to get to the review and he said that. About to drop the shoe in the box. Like, goddamn, bro, you got scared the shit out of me, bro.
Oh, bro, that's how Lil Jon do it. Scaring niggas, bro.
Bro, straight up. So, to get into this, man, a subtle but very, very dope colorway. So, you got your all black upper.
Ooper.
All
Black
upper.
Ooper.
And then it's
like
a
a
nice suede.
It's a very nice suede.
It's a very nice buttery suede. But then on the side you got
soft
this
suede.
mesh material on the side.
Right, chill,
As
y'all.
opposed to-
Just
have you ever
touch
seen
on
an 8 with a mesh on the side?
I haven't.
Because they usually come with just leather or suede, right?
Exactly.
That's the only two that it comes with.
Honestly,
So,
I
but
only own the I forgot what they were called already.
man, I got the Bugs Bunnies, the Playoffs, the Aquas, the Pea Pods. You got the Pea Pods too?
Aquas and Pea Pods. Those are the only 8s I own.
You don't have the Bugs Bunny ones?
Don't have the Bugs
Oh.
Bunnies.
I'm sure they'll retro them soon, so you'll get a pair because they always do.
Maybe.
But on the tongue, we have the multicolored tongue, which features red, green, yellow, conquered with yellow outlining as well as red on the outside. Yeah.
Best feature on the shoe to me. I'm not even gonna lie.
It is. The tongue is the dopest part. The tongue is. But I like how they did the green lining on the insole on the inside, and then what does yours say on your back?
Pull tab says "Dream Together."
Mine says "Fly Together."
Dream together,
Fly together.
That's what we do, bro.
Fly. That's all it's about.
I'm not
Just
gonna do
fly
the Jim
high.
Jones this
Just
time.
fly.
I'm not gonna do the Jim Jones.
Jim Jones? Yeah, not this time. Not this time. It's cool. It's good. It's good.
Sure.
So and then on the side panel on this side as well as this side, you have the multicolored there as well with the conquered, the green, the red, the yellow, and the black. Did I miss anything?
No, you got all of them.
Everything. And then of course your midsole's black, and then you get to the bottom and you got your conquered Jumpman, as well as your orange accents, your red, your green, your black, your purple, and then black
On the
platform.
there you go. I was waiting for it.
It's the platform. But overall, dope sneaker. I definitely mic drop me.
Cause that was it. Let it drop. Let it drop. That was it.
Overall, dope sneaker.
Dope sneaker.
I love it. It comes with that multi-color hue that I know a lot of the younger crowd and younger generation guys like the clothes. What the heck?
It's that African shit, bro. Trying to get into this.
Yeah, I know. It's hella funny. I wish sometimes we could just look out and see who watching it to see how many of y'all was like, look, this
Y'all's probably like,
dumb. This is dumb, bro. Thanks with it. But overall though, dope sneaker. I like it.
It's a very nice shoe.
I do like it. This is one of those ones, as we were discussing earlier, on sneakers, it did sell out, so it's not something that's going to hit outlets or be everywhere to where you can just easily obtain it, but I'm pretty sure the resale market for this will probably be pretty low, right?
Pretty low.
So
I ain't checked yet,
but you know,
honestly
if you want a pair, it shouldn't be too hard to cop a pair, you know what I'm saying?
this ain't Osama's pair. This ain't Shoeflytv2's pair.
It ain't?
This is my son's pair.
Because, you know, we keep the youngest fresh, too.
Keep them fresh, you know what I'm saying?
As usual, this has been another episode of Shoeflytv. It's been another review. So, we like to say to you,
Step your motherfucking fresh up.
and stay shoe fly. We out.